Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little update for those of you that are on 1903, the version of Windows 10 that is the May 2019 update. If you use Bluetooth devices for audio, it could be speakers, it could be headphones that are Bluetooth enabled. Well, if you are on this version and have updated with the last patch Tuesday, well, there is a problem, and Microsoft did acknowledge there is an issue that you have with Bluetooth audio. Now, there's of course going to be a fix eventually, but apparently, from many blog posts, the easy way to possibly fix this is to issue a scan now command for checking file integrity or the files on your hard drive. So how do you do this? Simply go into your Cortana search box. So I'm just gonna shut this down here. So go to your Cortana search box, type command, and here you'll see command prompt. Run it as an administrator. Click yes, and here you will type sfc space /scan now and press enter. This will start a system scan, and of course that means that it's going to check all the file integrity and all the file system. Apparently after such a scan it actually is okay. So you can try that. It can take a long time to do a scan of all the file system, but apparently it fixes that issue. In many cases, I've seen a lot of blog posts, people saying, yeah, it fixes the problem. So that is a little update for some of the known issues of the May 2019 update, but this is an issue that was caused by the last Patch Tuesday update. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.